I finally found the air fryer everyone keeps talking about. The box already feels like a kitchen upgrade. Compact outside, surprisingly serious inside. Let's unbox the Ninja air fryer together. First impression: sleek, simple, and very countertop friendly. The black finish looks clean and modern. Inside, you get the basket, crisper plate, and recipe booklet. That recipe booklet is honestly a nice bonus. The 4-quart size feels perfect for everyday cooking. It fits up to 2 pounds of fries easily. For a busy family, that matters a lot. The controls look straightforward and easy to learn. No confusing setup, no unnecessary buttons everywhere. This is a 4-in-1 machine. Air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate. That's already more versatile than most compact cookers. I like appliances that actually save space and effort. The air frying performance is the main star here. Hot air circulates fast and cooks food evenly. You get that crispy finish without deep frying. Honestly, the texture is the first thing I noticed. Fries come out golden, crunchy, and much lighter. It claims up to 75% less fat, and it shows. Chicken wings turn out nicely crisp on the outside. Vegetables roast beautifully without drying out too much. Reheating leftovers is another strong point. Pizza, fries, and wings come back to life fast. The dehydrate function is a fun extra. It's great for homemade snacks and dried fruit. The wide temperature range gives real flexibility. From gentle drying to high heat crisping, it handles both. I also appreciate how quickly it preheats. That's a huge win on hectic weeknights. The basket has a non-stick ceramic coating. Food releases easily, and cleanup feels much less annoying. Best part: the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe. That alone makes it easier to use daily. The compact footprint is another big plus. It doesn't overwhelm the kitchen counter. This feels ideal for busy families and health-focused cooks. It makes quick meals feel less like a compromise. If you want crispy food with less oil, this is solid. If you want one compact appliance for everyday use, even better. I'd recommend it for fast meals, easy cleanup, and consistency. Honestly, it's one of those tools you end up using constantly. If you're considering an air fryer, this one is easy to trust.